Qualcomm's upcoming flagship mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, is set to introduce a significant change to its smartphone SoC line with the use of custom-designed Oryon CPU cores. Today, Tipster Digital Chat Station revealed a detail suggesting a major performance boost that will challenge MediaTek's Dimensity 9400. According to the tipster, the high-performance core of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 boasts an impressive clock speed of 4.2 GHz. This is a remarkable increase from the Snapdragon 888 Plus's 3 GHz speed in 2021, indicating substantial progress in just 3 years. Additionally, the tipster noted that a laboratory prototype of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 achieved impressive benchmark scores, likely on Geekbench, with 3,000 points in single-core and 10,000 points in multi-core performance. Compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, this represents a 35.5% increase in single-core performance and a 33.9% increase in multi-core performance. While this will enhance performance and efficiency, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 phones are expected to come with a higher price tag due to increased wafer costs from TSMC. A report earlier today indicated that phones with the new SoC will be priced around 4,500 yuan. For context, the Xiaomi 14 launched with a starting price of 3,999 yuan. Qualcomm is set to formally introduce the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 this October, as announced by a company executive at OMG 2024. This launch is expected to prompt announcements from smartphone manufacturers regarding their new flagship devices. Similar to last year, Xiaomi is anticipated to be the first to unveil new devices powered by this SoC, likely the Xiaomi 15 series. However, unlike the previous year, these new flagship models may not launch at around $500. According to a well-known Weibo tipster digital chat station, the Xiaomi 15 series will be more expensive than its predecessor. This price increase is attributed to a rise in wafer prices for the SoC. Digital chat station also reported that manufacturers who typically release new flagships in the CNY 3000 range, approximately $423, will be impacted by this price hike. For instance, the Redmi K70 Pro was the cheapest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 device, launched in China at a starting price of CNY 3,299, around $465. Given that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 was already considered expensive, a further price increase for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 may prevent the K70 Pro's successor from matching the same value. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.